At Framelink, we believe in building smarter. Our homes are crafted in a controlled factory environment, ensuring top-notch quality, protection from the elements, and minimal waste. With high-performance insulation and the strength of LVL timber framing, our homes are built to last, and every detail is meticulously managed to create a durable and energy-efficient home. Inside, you'll find thoughtfully designed spaces tailored to your needs. We can include a high-quality kitchen with full cooking facilities, comfortable living areas, and modern bathrooms, designed to maximize the use of space without sacrificing functionality and comfort. Once complete, your home is transported directly to your site, anywhere in New Zealand. On delivery, the structure is secured to its foundations and connected to utilities, ready for you to move in. It's convenience and quality delivered seamlessly. Start your journey to a smarter home today. Contact Framelink for a free quote on your next small home.